Good morning! It's December 16 today, and today is our 16th day of Vlogmas, and as you can see, I'm back in our house. Last night we arrived pretty late because our flight was delayed for 30 minutes, our Uber was delayed, so everything was delayed last night, and I was just so excited to get home already. But right now we're already home, and I think I wasn't able to end the vlog properly last night because I was just too excited to get settled in. I already unpacked our bags last night, so I'm that type of person. I just don't want to sleep with an unpacked suitcase. I've already put all of our dirty laundries in our laundry basket, and then I've already kept all of our unused clothes, and I've already placed back. I brought these things to our trip, so I've already placed them back to where they belong. Good thing that before we left the house, I cleaned the room because I know that after a long trip, we will be longing for a clean room once we get back. So when we got back from the trip, when we entered the room, we felt relaxed that the room is clean and it's ready for us to settle in. So that's what we felt last night, and I'm so happy about that. So right now the room is messy again, and I'm ready to clean the house again. I'm going to start by loading the dark colored clothes. So I already have here the dark colored clothes ready. So they're all piled up. These are the clothes which we used for the week. So we have more dark colored clothes than the light colored ones. And then while loading it, I'm going to start cleaning in the kitchen. So from the kitchen to the dining area to the living area and then to the bedroom. And then I'm going to clean our bathroom last. So let's start doing it. I'm so excited. Time check. I woke up around 12 noon and I didn't set an alarm. It's 12:47 p.m. Let's do it. Let's start cleaning. Yay!
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents.
I really missed making these cleaning videos, you guys. That's why I'm so happy that I'm back with my routine now. Even before we left for the trip, I really prepared my mind that I will be cleaning the house once we get back from the trip. By the way, guys, if you haven't seen our trip to the South Island yet, I'm going to put the link of our South Island trip playlist up in the corner and down in the description below for you to check it out. I know I've already said this like 1,000 times now, but we really had a great time down in the South Island. It made me understand New Zealand even more and love this country even more. All of the different influences this country has made this place more beautiful.
And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. and it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
I decided to move the hot choco bar to the corner of our counter because I need to have more space on the kitchen counter for cooking. We only have a very small kitchen counter, that's why I have to maximize the space.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Here, I was trying to show you guys how dirty this table is. I don't know if you can see it, but it was pretty dirty. That's why I really had to remove the table runner in order to completely wipe the table.
Just by your helpless song. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. See him in the mangle lane, whom the choirs of angels praise. Mary, Joseph, lend your aid, while our hearts in love we raise. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
We left for the trip on a Saturday and I always replace our sheets every Monday, so I didn't replace our sheets before we left. Today is Monday, so we're just right on schedule in replacing the sheets. Do you have a specific schedule as well in doing your household chores? As for me, I'm very specific on my cleaning schedule, like I really have a schedule for every chore that I do, and I get anxious every time it gets scrambled up. That's why my husband knows which tasks he should leave up to me.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face. And later we walk
This bottle is almost empty and we haven't shopped for groceries yet since we got back. We're going to grocery shop this weekend and I'm going to vlog about it, so I do hope you'll watch it too. How's your holidays going so far, you guys? Are you enjoying the Christmas season so far? I always mop the floor after cleaning our bathroom, and then after this, I'm going to hang the dark colored clothes outside and then load the second batch, and then that's it.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline.
Finally, you guys, I'm done with my cleaning and it's already 4 p.m. and I just finished cleaning the entire house, hanging all the clothes. I still have one more load of laundry in the washing machine. I think I'm going to wash these sheets later tonight after this one is already finished. And right now I'm going to eat my lunch while I'm editing my video for tonight. And I'm so excited because the video that I'm uploading tonight is my birthday vlog. And I'm so excited for you to see it. I hope you'll all watch it. And that's it. So thank you so much for cleaning with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And turn on the bell icon for you to get notified every time I post a new video. Please check out also, I've made a couple of playlists for you. I made a separate playlist for my cleaning videos, my travel vlogs, my vlogs, my vlogmas. So please check them out. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I love you guys and see you on my next video tomorrow. Bye!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he